Well, today we wanted to do some final measuring for the other bed, and Susie really wanted to be sure. She's like me, visual, and so we brought everything in, so I just thought I'd let her tell you a little bit about what's going on today. And thanks for watching.
Charles to bring some of the furniture back in so I could measure things, and I wanted to measure that I got this bed not too long, because then that would have been a crisis had I have to cut the bed off in the end. So we got this frame here. We finally got this up, and he was so proud when he had that up, and then I said, oh, the bed frame is gonna be blocking all that.
Yeah.
So we had to do that over again. We got these boards from Home Depot, and they're really neat. We're gonna polyurethane them, and our countertops are on top of the cabinets. We've got a flush here, so when we come in we have more room. We're gonna put a
backsplash of some sort.
Yeah, we're gonna put a piece of wood here.
Yeah. And
maybe on the sides a little bit to keep our apples from rolling off.
Yeah, there we go. And then what's happening over here?
I thought, well, we'll just use this whole wood and not cut it. We have this big counter space. We'll put supports here, and then the refrigerator, of course, rolls out, so it doesn't matter. So this is going to give me a nice big counter space. I'll have open cabinets up here. Well, actually, you have the microwave up here, and then open cabinets for spices or whatever.
So you've been busy doing other stuff too.
Yes, I have been painting a lot.
And you need to get going on that right now.
Yeah, well, I painted these guys.
Yeah, they look nice, and they came from Home Depot, and they work great.
And I'm painting the shiplap now.
Yep. Well, do I need to finish this wiring finally?
Someday.
Someday. Thanks for the update.
Sure.
Well, there's just a little update from Susie. She really has been hard at work. I'm not saying I'm dawdling. I've just been, sometimes I come in here and I sit, and sometimes I sit and think. And getting things worked out here, and I really am going to finish the wiring, but it's looking great, and we can really envision how this is going to look in the end. But I better get back to work. Thanks for watching.